Welcome guys back, and today in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to knit this absolutely easy and absolutely amazing knit stitch. And this stitch can be used for hats first of all, as it's stretchy uh, and the texture is perfect. As well, you can use it for scarves or cowls. For this stitch I was using 4mm knitting needles and Baby Bliss Cashmerino aran yarn, and the number of stitches has to be divisible by 5 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 selvage stitches. So if you're ready and want to learn how to knit the stitch, let's get started. First of all, I want to say that first 4 rows we will knit only once, and it will be our base, and then we will knit the pattern itself and we'll repeat it as many times as needed. So skip the first stitch, then purl 2, knit 3, and repeat purl 2, knit 3, purl 2, knit 3, and 2 extra stitches that we added, purl 2, and we purl the last stitch, the selvage stitch. So turn, and now we knit stitches and purl stitches. So knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 3, and knit 2 and purl the last stitch. So we need 2 more rows. Repeat the first and the second row and we will get our base. Purl 2, knit 3, and then knit 2, purl 3. So I've done 4 rows. Now you see it's a ribbon, and we start the pattern itself, knitting the pattern. Slip the first stitch, purl 2. Now find the central stitch and go down 4 stitches. Pull long loop, knit 3, and then again in the same stitch pull the second long loop like this and repeat. Purl 2, then you find the central stitch, this one, and go down 4 stitches. Pull a long loop, knit 3, and pull one more long loop in the same stitch and repeat. Purl 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, knit 3, one more loop, purl 2, and the last purl as well, selvage stitch, like this. Turn. The second row of the pattern, slip the first stitch, knit 2, Now slip that long loop with the yarn in front, then purl 3 and slip again that long loop with the working yarn in front, and repeat. Knit 2, slip long loop, holding yarn in front, purl 3 and slip with the yarn in front, and repeat. Knit 2 and purl the last stitch. For row number 3, slip the first stitch and then purl 2. Now slip, knit, pass over, knit next stitch and knit 2 together, the next stitch and that long loop, purl 2. One more time, slip that long loop, then knit the next stitch and pass over, knit the next stitch and knit 2 together, and repeat. Knit 2 together, purl 2 and purl the last one, salvage. That's how it looks. And the last fourth row, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2 and purl. Now you are going to repeat everything from the first round of the pattern. I will show you just the first row. Purl 2 and then you find the central stitch and go down 4 stitches, and from the 4th stitch you pull a long loop, knit 3 and pull one more loop from the same 4th stitch, purl 2 and repeat. 1 2 3 4, you see I'm going into the 4th stitch, knit 3, purl 2 and repeat for the last time. Purl 2 and last one. That's how it looks. This is the version that I've done from Baby Bliss yarn. It's stretchy. Look. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like this video and see you soon. Bye!